Greetings, great learners. My name is Mr. Simbi, and welcome to today's accounting class. In today's class, I'm going to be dealing with the petty cash journal. Petty cash journal. So we're going to do a number of calculations. We're going to prepare the petty cash journal. We're going to be posting. We'll also touch the accounting equation. So make sure you have your calculator, you have somewhere to write, and then we are going to start working. Now, with me here, I have a practice question that I want us to do. So we're going to prepare this together. Make sure you are writing as I will be writing as well. So it says, use the information below to complete the petty cash journal of Ox Traders and then post to the general ledger. The opening petty cash balance on the 1st of October is 1,500. Payments according to the petty cash vouchers, and they begin here with number 1. So what do we need? We need now the petty cash journal. There it is. So what we are going to do here, we're going to be recording information in this petty cash journal. Okay, so the first one, purchased postage stamps. There it is, from the post office for 40 Rand, voucher number 7. That means here, my number is going to be 7. Over there, my number is going to be 7. And then the day is the 1st. Then on the details now, I need to know whom did I pay? Whom did I pay? In this particular question, you can see you paid the post office. So here you're going to write post office. And then how much did we pay? We paid 40 rands. That means I'm going to come now to my postage and I'm going to get 40 rands as well. Let's go now to the one on the 8th. It says, paid butterfly stationers 210 for a printer cartridge. So here my source document number is going to be 8 and the day is the 8th as well. All right, there is my day. And then whom did we pay? Butterfly. So here we paid butterfly stationers. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then how much do we pay them? We pay them 210. So if we pay 210, I'm now coming here onto my stationery because we bought a printer cartridge. Let me quickly go now on the 11th. So day is 11. My document, remember, they have to be numerical year, so it's going to be on the 9th. And then whom did I pay? Okay, we donated 120 to help child welfare. So I come here, it's going to be help child welfare. Help child welfare. How much did we donate? We donated 120. So I'm going to bring it now to my sundry accounts. It's going to be 120 and I'm going to say donation. And then the next one is on the 15th. Paid wages of 215 to Shakira Muller, the office cleaner. So here it's going to be document number 10. And here day is going to be 15. And then here I'm going to come and say whom did I pay. It's going to be Shakira Muller. Okay, so here it's Shakira Muller. And then how much did I pay? I paid 215. And then what did I pay? I paid wages. So I'm going to come here, it's 215, which is for wages. And then I'm going to come here. The next one is on the 18th. So I'm going to come, day is 18, number 11. And then on your details, whom did we pay? Velapi store. So I'm coming here to say Velapi store. So we paid Velapi store here. And how much did we pay? We paid 90 as we bought refreshments. So we paid 90. And then I'm going to come here. It's 90 for refreshments. For refreshments. Here's my refreshments. And then the next one is on the 20th. So day is going to be 20. The number is going to be 12. And then it says, the owner Owen is under bought his daughter lunch after she'd visited him. So the owner took some money and bought lunch for his daughter, which is for 90 rands. Okay, so we're going to come here. What the name here is going to be Owen, who is the owner. So it's going to be Owen. So here is Owen. Owen who? Zander. It's going to be Owen. Zander. How much was it? We paid 90. And that 90, remember when the owner takes money for personal use, it is called drawings. When the owner takes money for personal use, it is called drawings. The next transaction then reads, on the 25th, bought envelopes from Fast Stationers for 65. So we're coming here, the number is going to be 13, and the day is the 25th. And we're going to say Fast Stationers. Fast Stationers. And then we have paid 65. And that 65 will now come under your stationery, 65. All right, let's quickly now go to the last one. On the 31st, here is the 31st, and then here it will be number 14. Posted a parcel for 40 rand. So we're coming here when we post a parcel. So we've paid the post office. We're going to say post office, and the amount is 40 rands, which we also bring under postages 40. Now, quickly grab your calculator. I want us to quickly add some particular amounts. The first amount that we're going to be adding, we have your 40 plus your 210, your 120, your 215, your 90, another 90, 65, and then the 40. Your total should give you an amount of, please punch that in the calculator, tell me how much are you getting. All right, you get 870. 870. And then you come to your trading stock. There is no amount there. On your postages will give you 80 rands. And then when you now come to your stationery, you get 275. And then when you come to your sundry accounts, you will have an amount. If you are now saying your 120 plus your 215 plus your 90 for refreshments and another 90 again. So I'm going to repeat the figures again. It is your 120 plus your 215 plus your 90, and you add again another 90. It should give you a total amount. How much you get? It should be 515. All right, you should be having 515. Now let's quickly go, and we're going to post these amounts to the general ledger. Okay, learners, so here is my solution. When I have the solution, then I need to post to the general ledger. Let's quickly post to the general ledger. The first account that I have is drawings. Remember, drawings increases on the debit side. So, do I have any drawings? Yes. How much is it? 90. All right. So, I'm coming here. As I'm posting here, I'm going to now say petty cash. It's petty cash. And how much am I posting? 90 on the debit side. When I come into my petty cash, I'm going to start it off now with my balance. My balance brought down. Remember, the impressed amount was 1,500. And then I have spent some money in the month. Remember when I was paying for all the amounts, and how much is that? You can see here an amount of 870 was used. So when I'm here now, I'm now going to say total payments. So I'm coming here to say total payments. My total payments, all right. And how much is my total payments? 870. And then we agree that whatever that has been spent must then be restored. That means I'm going to come again here and I'm going to now say bank. I'm restoring it now from the cash payments journal. And then I'm going to have my 870 here. So if I'm to close this ledger account, I'm going to now say 1.5 plus 870, that gives you 2,370. I come here, it's going to be 2,370. Therefore, here I'm going to have now my balance carried down, which becomes 1,500. Remember, this is on the end of October. So the beginning of November 1, I now have a balance here brought down 1,500. The impressed amount has been restored. When I come to my wages, remember, it's an expense. It increases on the debit side. So I'm going to say how much was spent on wages. I'm coming here to say petty cash, and then how much is that? That is 215. I'll come to postages. Remember, again, on the debit side. So I'm going to say again petty cash, and how much has been spent on postages. It is 80 rands. So I'm coming here to say 80 rands. The next one is stationery, where you see 275. So on the debit side, I'm going to say again petty cash. And how much do you see here, learners? It is 275. The next one that I'm given is donations, 120. So again, on the debit side, I'm going to now say petty cash again, and then I'm going to bring my 120. Then lastly, it is my refreshments and expense again on the debit side. So I'm going to now say petty cash, and then on the amount column, I'm going to put my 90 rands. Dear learners, we're going to go for a quick ad break, and I'm going to see you after the break.